Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Lake Havasu local and long-distance movers near me. From household relocations to commercial moves, 3Movers can provide all the moving and storage solutions you need. We've been around for over 20 years and have established ourselves as one of the most reputable Lake Havasu movers that offer top-notch services at affordable rates. We've managed to stay at the top of this highly competitive industry for so long because we've always placed the needs and satisfaction of our customers first. When you work with us, you will get a team of movers who are knowledgeable, friendly, and attentive. We are a full-service moving company in Lake Havasu consisting of highly professional movers with years of experience in the moving industry. Our experienced movers carry out your long-distance moves with care and dedication to guarantee you full customer satisfaction. This is what makes us a wonderful professional moving company. No destination is too far and no move too challenging for our expert movers. There are many moving companies in Lake Havasu City, AZ that offer moving services, but no one comes close to us when it comes to affordable prices and service quality. We are simply the best movers in Lake Havasu. Whether you are moving within the state of Arizona or from across the country, we have the experience and infrastructure to provide a full-service move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lake Havasu moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.